So we are on number 2 of the videos. It is market structure 2.0. Okay, so first things first, start on the daily. Start on the daily. I'll say it once more, start on the daily. Okay, so for example, we'll use Euro USD from January this year. Was January? Yeah, January 2019. We're gonna work in this area, right? Euro USD, nice pair to trade, moves on average 60 to 70 pips a day, nice and constant. So the first thing I do is I use the trend line, right? And then I draw me one of these lines, okay? Once I have these lines, I start placing them like this on the bodies. Boom. Excuse my silence. Just focusing here. Okay, so we all know this is a high. Lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. What is this? Slightly higher? Nope. Move down. The wicks basically touched was a double bottom. I'll get back to that one now. Then again, lower low, double bottom, after double bottom, boom. We officially made a high high. Right? This was not a high high. I'll come back to this one now. If you look at them, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And then boom. Your high high. Followed by a higher low. Followed by a higher high, which is TP1 to the T. So if let's say the market was over here. Let's use the replay bar. Cool. So now the market goes up here and you're like, okay, made a high high. But if you are using your FIB tool to measure A to B to C to D, A to B to C, this is not valid. It basically broke past 100%, the 88.6, broke past everything. So for you to get the short on here was not valid at all because it made this high. Okay, so now just let's move time slowly to the front. Okay, it's a bit fast anyway. Okay, now when it proceeded to make this what you thought was a high high, okay, it came down and it made an equal low, an equal low. Look at that, an equal low. And then it came up. Looks like it made this looks like a 38.2. I'll just quickly look at that. I think we went over that one. Either way, then it came down, made a lower low, made a lower high, made this equal low. Remember, look at the wicks. Look at the wicks where this closed. Right, the bodies are slightly lower, but overall the trend was super bearish for this whole year on this pair. We then made the high high, and now we're like, ooh, this low high was down here, this high high is up here. This must be the break of structure. Okay. To verify that, you look for a trend line that you could draw. Draw a trend line. You notice, boom, it is break of structure. Not only of the breaking the last low high, but it also broke my descending trend line. Then it comes back and it retests this trend line, which falls perfectly on what level? The 61.8. Remember, when you place your candles, you want to put them, not your candles, your damn fib, you want to put them flush on the body. Once flush on the body, you want to look and see, okay, 1.1287, so we know psychological round number is 1.1250. Something like that, right? Down there, this one is 1.13, also 250. So this one sits somewhat in the body, but also on the candles over there. Perfect 61.83 trace. If you enter on the daily, you could have gone off the bullish engulfing, but I'm sure there was interest in the 4 hour and the 1 hour where you would have seen them, right? Go to the 4 hour. Yep, you can see. Resistance, 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 resistance. Break, break, close above. Retest, buy. Gone away. Okay? You feel me? From the daily down to the 4 hour. Drew a level of resistance. Retest, retest, resistance, 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 resistance. Break, close above. Retest candle. Price gone. Cool. So you guys can take this strategy, draw your little things like this. You just take the trend line, you draw it like that. On a MacBook, you hold command and you drag, and you can basically build you a ton of these things. Okay? So, guys, I urge you to go and practice this, because right now, okay, obviously this won't make sense to you when you watch it, because this might be, this move will be gone. So if you look at it like this, and you have to draw a trend line, how do I draw a trend line? I think like this. No. That's the trend line from there to there, right? And then we're going to measure. Oh, would you look at that? Again, 111.97, so we run it to 112 and also 114. We're pinging off the 61.8, getting in on the 4 hour. We can basically see some consolidation, see for any other patterns. Not really. But yeah, 61.8. I actually just sent the signal out into the trading room floor, where hopefully we will profit 181 pips for a 25 pip risk. And we can start making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, because we can clearly see the change of momentum by the break and the retest of the descending trend line, showing you that Euro USD is ready now to start its upward movement. So guys, that is it for me. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.